Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture we are going to learn about SQL Server. Search SQL, select Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio 17. Here is the interface. Right click here, go to Properties, change settings and copy your computer name. Open CMD, write a command SQL CMD #L. So here are the server names that you can use. Okay, desktop, local, dot. So by using dot we can connect with SQL Server. For disconnect you can click here. Instead of using dot you can use local, or you can use computer name / SQL Express. So on the left side, Object Explorer. Here is the list of all databases in the form of tree. Test is the database. Right click, we can create new database. For new query you can click here. For task you can extract data tier application, export data tier application. In our upcoming videos we will explore it further. Tables, right click here, then select top 1000 rows. So click here for new query, select database, test, select all from, this is the simple query from admin. Here admin is the table name, okay, and test is database which is selected here. So select all from admin, which is the table name, from database test. For a short key you can click F5, or by clicking this button result is here. Right click, edit, you can add record, execute, record is here. This is the SQL section, query section, and this is the result section. Select messages tab, one row affected. You can execute multiple queries like this. Select all from admin, select all from admin. One result is here, another is here. So even if you can select only one, execute by selecting the query. So please be carefully about database selection, and you can view activity monitor, which is very helpful. Execute it and look at here the activity. If multiple computers are connected by network, so you can monitor the activity by using this tab. You can separate the tab, align it here. You can create new admin or you can change record. SA is a login name and here is the password. So you can save query. This is all about the little bit introduction of SQL Server. In our upcoming videos we are going to explore it further in very detail. So thank you for watching this video.